Discover the latest in innovation with our curated list of the coolest gadgets on Amazon. From smart home solutions to cutting-edge electronics, these must-have items promise to elevate your lifestyle. Explore the future of technology and convenience as we showcase the best gadgets that you can easily snag on Amazon. SUNSTAR QAIS-air 04. Eliminate pet litter box odors with this innovative Japanese invention. Specifically designed for spaces up to 49 square meters, it operates quietly with a maximum noise level of 37 decibels, ensuring it won't startle your pet. In addition to odor control, this device effectively reduces bacteria and viruses by an impressive 99% in just 2 to 3 hours. Kohler Kitchen Faucet. Kohler's kitchen faucet introduces the innovative Faucet, setting itself apart by being ceiling mounted. This unique design allows users to hold the faucet and direct the water jet precisely where needed, such as filling a pot on the stove or a glass. For convenient control, the manufacturer recommends using a special sensor block to toggle the water flow. One version of the Faucet includes a 2.1 meters hose and is priced at $1,878. Moen Flow Smart Water Leak Detector. Water leaks cause an estimated annual damage of $13 billion. Investing in prevention is cost-effective, with the Moen Flow sensor priced at just $30. Continuously monitoring for leaks, it promptly notifies owners upon detection. For added protection, it can be complemented with a special system to automatically shut off the water, providing a proactive solution to mitigate potential damages. Which of these gadgets caught your attention the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed discovering these amazing gadgets, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech updates. Let's continue our gadgets journey. Eufy Floodlight Cam E340. The Eufy Floodlight Cam E340 is a standout security device, capturing a 360 degrees horizontal view and identifying people up to 15 meters away, even recognizing pets and vehicles. Doubly functional as a light, it offers footage viewing via Wi-Fi or a micro SD card. The camera is available for purchase at $220. CIARRA Portable Range Hood. Cooking enthusiasts, brace yourselves for the CIARRA Portable Range Hood, a compact extractor with impressive features packed into its small frame of 3 filters. Simply switch it on within 10 centimeters of your stove. Bid farewell to smoke. CIARRA offers 2 speeds and is available for $150. Elevate your cooking experience with this convenient and efficient portable range hood. GEME Composter. The GEME Composter offers an efficient solution for managing kitchen leftovers. With a 19 liters capacity, it processes vegetable scraps and bread crusts, yielding up to 2 kilograms of compost daily. Operating quietly, it won't disturb your conversations. The industrial-grade deodorization system eliminates unpleasant smells. The only drawback is its price at $900. Invest in this composting machine for eco-friendly waste management with minimal disruption. Retractable Clothesline. Priced at $27, this clothesline revolutionizes drying with its compact case and coiling mechanism, reminiscent of a vacuum cleaner cord. Supporting up to 25 kilograms and extending to 4.2 meters, it includes 10 clothespins for added convenience. A practical solution for efficient and straightforward drying, this clothesline offers affordability and ease of use. Upgrade your laundry routine with this simple yet effective design. Dreo Pedestal Fan. The Dreo Pedestal Fan represents a groundbreaking innovation in floor fans, offering a technological wonder with numerous features. Boasting Wi-Fi and voice control, Alexa and Google support, 120 degrees horizontal and 105 degrees vertical oscillation, 6 modes, and 8 speeds. Despite its capabilities, the Dreo fan operates at a mere 25 decibels, quieter than a whispered conversation. With an automatic timer and priced at $91, it ensures a comfortable and restful experience. Available for purchase now. Oversized Electric Recliner Chair. Experience maximum comfort while indulging in the latest Tech Zone videos with the Oversized Electric Recliner Chair priced at $430. This electric rocking chair stands out by offering a 360 degrees rotation and adjustable angles from 90 degrees to 135 degrees. In addition to its ergonomic design, it features built-in USB ports for charging gadgets, providing a luxurious and convenient seating option for tech enthusiasts seeking an enhanced viewing experience. Doorwing. Doorwing is the ultimate solution to prevent unexpected interruptions during virtual meetings or remote work. Designed to keep children from entering the room, this blocker also avoids door slamming, maintaining a 4 centimeters gap. Inspired by incidents like the viral BBC interview, Doorwing is a practical accessory priced at $30. Ideal for those working from home. It ensures privacy and seamless virtual interactions without the worry of unplanned disturbances. AlfaBot X6. Growing up in a large family, the founder of AlfaBot understands the challenges of maintaining a clean home. Their commitment to smart cleaning solutions is evident in products like the Smart Glass Cleaner X6 robot. This autonomous robot is designed to clean windows, tiles, and floors, selecting the optimal route for efficiency. With a 4-meter safety rope for added security, this cleaning companion is priced at $150, offering a convenient and innovative solution for household cleanliness. Comfier. Comfier introduces a game changer by embedding a foot massage system in an ottoman, taking relaxation to new heights. With added heating functionality, this innovative creation is priced at $189, ensuring a pleasant surprise for buyers. Tailored for users up to size EU45, the ottoman offers 2 massage modes and 3 intensity levels, promising a customizable and rejuvenating experience. Elevate your comfort with this multifunctional ottoman that seamlessly combines relaxation and practicality. Home runpet Drybo Plus. The Home runpet Drybo Plus is a smart and secure pet dryer box, crafted by professionals with 2 decades of experience in the medical industry. Ideal for small dogs and cats, with its 60 liters capacity, it operates quietly at 40 decibels. The dryer offers adjustable temperatures up to 40 degrees Celsius, controlled by intelligent features updating 10 times per second. Priced at $600, this advanced pet dryer ensures a safe and efficient drying experience for your furry companions. LoveView 4 MP Bulb Security Camera. The LoveView 4 MP Bulb Security Camera innovatively combines a light bulb with advanced security features. Shaped like a bulb, it's not only smart but also boasts motion tracking within a 355 degrees range, spanning up to 5.2 meters. If any anomalies are detected, it triggers a siren, allowing you to view the live feed via video streaming to your smartphone. With built-in 2-way voice communication and Alexa compatibility, this security camera is available at a reasonable $56, ensuring hassle-free installation with just a free E27 socket. Smart Wall Space Heater. With winter's arrival in some regions, consider the Smart Wall Space Heater for efficient warmth. Boasting around 800 watts of power, it combines smart features like timers, overheat protection, and a thermostat mode. Temperature adjustment ranges from 15 to 32 degrees Celsius, offering a versatile heating solution. Priced affordably at $24, this model stands out for its features, making it a compelling choice for those seeking reliable and budget-friendly warmth during the colder months. If you enjoyed discovering these amazing gadgets, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech updates. Stay tuned for the latest in innovation and be the first to explore the coolest gadgets on the market. Your support means a lot to us. Thanks for watching.